Today we're going to be going over my price prediction on Shiba Inu Coin going into 2022. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, how many you want to have, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And if you guys are interested in supporting us a little bit further than just liking or subscribing to our channel, then go ahead and subscribe to our vlog channel. We just put out our first vlog on here, so if you guys want to support us a little bit further, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. It's called Toolbox. We're going to be doing podcasts on there as well. Also, if you guys want to join our private Discord, use this second link in the description, or if you want a free stock, then go ahead and use this third link in the description. Without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. Here we can see Shiba Inu Coin is up about 7% on the day, and now we have been seeing some awesome price action. We're going to be talking about where Shiba Inu Coin is going to be going in this video, as well as a bunch of different pieces of news, little pieces of news that have been found that we have not yet reported on. So if you guys want to hear all of that, stick around till the end of the video. But first, I do want to mention that Shiba Inu Coin is still on this most active list right here. Even though stocks have been doing really well today, you can see the Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ all doing extremely well today. Shiba Inu Coin and Bitcoin are still both on here. Shiba Inu Coin has been passed back up by Bitcoin. However, we are doing better than Bitcoin in terms of percentages. And yeah, I really see this continuing going into tomorrow as well. So we'll check back up on this tomorrow, but good to see you for now. A little update here from Ask the Doctor. If you guys don't know, basically Ask the Doctor for the past 24 hours has been going off on Shiba Inu Coin, making a ton of claims against Satoshi Kusama himself. And then Satoshi Kusama said, "Just watched my dad get rushed to a hospital, one that isn't full of Omicron." The irony of this, and at the same time I'm dealing with Ask the Doctor. So if you are who you say you are, for the sake of us fighting this pandemic, do your job and answer questions. Sincerely, Shitoshi. Ask the Doctor did respond, and he did show a little bit of class here. He said, "We are sorry to hear about your father, praying for his speedy recovery. Please DM us if you need our help with anything." So a little bit of class shown by Ask the Doctor. I still don't like him. I still think him promoting all this FUD is extremely weird, and I'm really hoping he was just hacked and he's getting his account back. But for now, it does look like he is kind of just promoting FUD and then deleting it. Very scummy, but at least he showed a bit of class here. And by the way, guys, we have been kind of commenting on all these different situations on our It's Finance Bro Twitter account. You guys can follow us at It's Finance Bro. But we have been commenting throughout the day. We did make this one tweet. Ticker symbol Shib has two different whales purchased $50 million and $150 million of Shibs respectively. They're loading up for something. Can't wait for this next bull run, and I really can't wait for this next bull run. Also, we did mention, hey, Ask the Doctor, we get it, you're a virgin. Now hop off Shib and the Shib army before you embarrass yourself. So if you guys want some funny tweets like this and also Shiba Inu news, go ahead and follow us on Twitter at It's Finance Bro. But anyways, let's get into the next piece of news. Shiba Inu, ticker symbol Shib, is the coin of the day on Lunar Crush. I just wanted to mention that we have talked about Lunar Crush a lot on our channel, so I kind of wanted to give an update here. We are the coin of the day, and whenever we are the coin of the day on any website, that's usually pretty indicative of how well the day has gone. So our day has gone extremely well with Shib on Lunar Crush and in real life too. And another thing to mention, we are on the #1 spot for KuCoin's trending coins and weekly top searches. You can see Shib is above Bitcoin, Binance, Doge, Ethereum, Sand, SLP, Mana, Matic, and Sol. So we are on that #1 trending list. Like always, we're normally at the #1 spot for this list pretty much every time, mostly because Shib is literally just being searched all the time, and we can see it in our YouTube analytics. We can see it in just Twitter. It's always trending. Good to see there for Shiba Inu Coin. But now let's go over the reason you're probably here, and that is going to be a price prediction. So this is going to be a price prediction from Watcher Guru, and then I'll give my price prediction at the end of this video. But yeah, basically it says price awaits liftoff as bulls test 50-day SMA. So I'm going to skip around here, but basically Shib's near-term price action has now started to look favorable once again. A 9% jump over the last last 24 hours has put Shiba Inu in the principle of a down channel breakout. A move on this 50 SMA or yellow line could open up the doors for an extra 15% hike to December 12th swing high of 37.90. Now this is actually something we also see here, but if you guys can just look here, this yellow line is kind of what we're trying to break, and we are right at that yellow line right now. If we do break this yellow line, they do see us getting to about the 37.90 level. I am a bit higher on my price prediction for Shiba Inu Coin in the next couple of days. We'll talk about that in just one second. I do want to go over something else that they brought up. However, Shib was eyeing another breakout after bouncing back from the lower trend line of its down channel. A decisive close to the 50 SMA and the 3252 resistance could put Shib on course to swing up to the 37.90 level. The 200 SMA green line would keep an extended price hike in check. Interestingly, a similar breakout was observed on the 29th of November after Shib toppled its SMA yellow. So basically, when we did topple this 50-day SMA or the yellow line on November 29th, we were bullish for a short period of time where it basically corrected it properly. So it's good to see there. Basically, I want to go over their conclusion. Shiba Inu needed to close above the 50-day SMA line at 32.52, resistance to pay for a possible 15% hike. Once the supply area at 34.64 is successfully cleared, Shib would likely tag its 12th December high of 37.90. If Shib is rejected at its immediate resistance, support levels of 30.79 and 31.21 would take center stage. So this is exactly pretty much where I'm at, and I'll tell it in my kind of way of talking about technical analysis because I think it's a bit easier to understand than to watch your gurus. But yeah, here we are on CoinMarketCap. I do want to mention that we are really doing well for the week. We are mostly green for the last 7 days on all cryptocurrencies, and we have a 4.82% increase over the last day to $2.3 trillion for our market cap. We can see here that Shiba Inu Coin is in that 13th spot still. We are behind Dogecoin. Dogecoin also having some success today, but not as much as Shiba Inu Coin here at 6%. So one thing I do want to note is that we're sitting at about a $1.3 billion volume. I'd like to see this get to $3 to $4 billion tomorrow if we want to get that 20% hike like they're talking about, but we'll have to see. Now let's get into this technical analysis. So here we saw that we actually did have a bit of a bull pennant. They didn't even bring this up in the article that we watched, and it looks like we have broken this bull pennant. So I will show you guys kind of where I predict this coin to go in the next couple of days, and then also in 2022. So right now our RSI is sitting at about 64, so I expect us to kind of trade sideways for just a little bit before absolutely exploding up. If the volume does pick up right now, I could see us just exploding anyways, even though the RSI is kind of high right now. But you can see here the MACD is trending up, so that's in our favor. I do see a resistance here at the 34 level, but we have broken out of this bull pennant, so I assume we're going to break this resistance level with pretty easily at the 34.25 level. And then I can see us, since we have a bull pennant, we've broken out of it. You basically just copy this line and extend it up. I can see us getting all the way to the 38.15 level before stopping, and then obviously consolidating, possibly making a new bull flag or creating a new support around the 37. But yeah, I could see us getting all the way to the 38. If this pattern does break, however, we could see a possible return to the 30 to 31 level, like they said in that article. But that's going to be my price prediction. In the next day, I think we'll get to the 38 level, which will give us a good 12 to 15% in gains tomorrow. I really hope this happens, but it's looking like it will happen. We're hitting higher lows and higher highs every time over the past couple of hours, and even this last day. Really good price action for Shiba Inu Coin, and I expect to break out very, very soon. But I also want to give you guys my predictions for 2022. By the end of 2022, I believe we will be at a cent. By the end of 2021, I believe we will be somewhere at all-time highs, or possibly just in this 40 range, anywhere from the 40 range all the way to all-time highs. It depends on if crypto is bullish. If crypto is bullish in general, I can see Shib breaking all-time highs. If crypto is bearish in general, I could see us ending somewhere in the 40 range. So those are the two possibilities. My prediction, we're probably going to be in that 40 range. But if crypto is bullish in general, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything, then we can break past all-time highs. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And if you guys haven't already, then go ahead and comment down how much Shiba Inu coin you have down below. And then also subscribe to our vlog channel Toolbox. Follow us on Twitter at It's Finance Bro. If you guys want to join our private Discord, it's going to be the second link in the description. And if you want a free stock, use that third link in the description. That's going to be it for today. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.